And now, it's time for a Sea Lion Splash.
Hi Sea Lions, welcome to the Sea Lion Splash.
This is Sea Lion leader Jackson Quintel with this week's announcements. There is no school on Monday because our teachers are at a training. Enjoy the long weekend. The Lunar New Year Festival is back. Enjoy the shows on Tuesday morning. The DJ Bubble Dance Party is happening on Tuesday at lunch. Let's see those dance moves. College Day is on Wednesday. Dr. Pulver is visiting McGaw on Thursday. Let's show him our raw behavior. Pageant rehearsal is on Thursday after school. We're doing the costume check. The movie with the principal is on Friday. Do your best to earn 100 Robux to participate. Good luck to all the athletes in Seal Beat Pony Baseball. I hope you have a great opening day. That's it, Sea Lions. Have a great week.
Yeah, buddy.
I got a Robux.
Go ahead, put it in there. High five. Yeah.
Kindergarten.
Congratulations to UTK student from Mrs. Barr's class, Ryan Anderson. Dr. Arias gave a Robux because Ryan was being kind and he rushed to open the gate from the parking lot because he saw that his hands were full and he couldn't get through the door. Way to go, Ryan. You did the right thing.
First grade.
Our Robux winner in first grade is from Mrs. Chavez's class. Big up to Cole Kinnear. Cole used great manners throughout the entire day. He said things like thank you and excuse me without prompting. Way to go, Cole. That's raw behavior.
Second grade.
Mrs. Wallace wants to shout out second grader from Mrs. Lyons and Mrs. Smith's class, Presley Ramos Kwan. She says that Presley was a big helper by picking up trash after buddy time. Way to go, Presley.
Third grade.
Mrs. Anderson wants to shout out third grader Luke Nguyen. She said that Luke showed such great kindness today with a classmate who got hurt. This is a wonderful way to show honor and kindness. Thanks, Luke.
Fourth grade.
Dr. Arias wants to shout out fourth grader Sydney Castle. He said that Sydney reminded Dr. Arias to take roll in the lunch count after the class was having a deep conversation. It takes teamwork, and Sydney is a top teammate. Thank you.
Fifth grade.
Mrs. Wood wants to shout out fifth grader from Miss Breedlove's class, Gracelyn Surtees. Miss Wood said that Gracelyn was being so attentive to two injured sea lions, and she checked up after them after a couple days. That is some kind behavior. Thanks, Gracelyn.
Thank you, Ramaga.
And there you have it, McGaw. Now remember, listen to your teachers, follow instructions from your parents, take a risk, and I'll see you on campus. Bye.